Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. So, are you ready? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what is past continuous tense? First, before we learn about past continuous tense, okay, we need to know what is present, what is past. Okay, so present, there is something happening now, and past is something that happens in the past. Okay, so past continuous tense is about an action or something that is happening at a certain time in the past.
Next, how do we form past continuous tense? First, we need a subject. So, what is subject? Subject is I, he, she, it, you, we, they. After that, we need to add was or were. Then we need to add the verb with ing. So what is verb? Verb is an action. And lastly, we can add the event or place with the time to make a full past continuous tense sentence. Now, I will show you some examples on how to do a past continuous tense.
What were you doing yesterday?
I was playing game yesterday.
What were you doing in the toilet just now?
I was playing game in the toilet just now.
Where were you sleeping yesterday?
I was sleeping on the sofa yesterday. Here are the other examples of past continuous tense sentences. So, this is the assignment that I need you to do. I want you to record yourself by doing 5 past continuous tense sentences based on the questions below. Number 1, what were you doing 10 minutes ago? Number 2, what were you thinking about few minutes ago? Number 3, what were you doing at 7 p.m. last night? Number 4, what were you doing at midnight last night? Number 5, what were you eating yesterday at morning? After you're done your assignment, I want you to submit your video in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp to me. So this is the end of the lesson. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Jeht TV. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.